95 miles an hour. That's serious. We're hitching up for the very last time this summer. We're kind of debating whether it's really worth it to continue this channel. YouTube has its ups and downs. Not really sure what we want to do. We're going to be heading down to Charlotte, North Carolina. We were invited by Carowinds to come and check out their campground, Camp Wilderness, and we're really excited to check that out. So stay tuned, we're going to show you all about it.
We just arrived at the Camp Wilderness RV Park Resort right here at Carowinds. We're waiting to check this out. Don's checking us in right now. Can't wait to share all this with you guys. It's going to be awesome.
The main reason why we travel is to experience new things. That's why as soon as we set up camp, we went to a Piece of Havana, which is a Cuban restaurant right in Charlotte. Though this was a little bit on the expensive side, it was definitely worth it with great food and live entertainment. When we got back to camp, we walked up to the store to grab a few things and to check out the hours for the pool. This campground store is one of the nicest I've ever seen, with a beautiful lounge area, lots of toys and gizmos, and everything you could need from snacks to medicine.
This is very, very nice. I mean, it's not Disney, but it's awesome.
Well, I mean, considering the size of the sites, though, I mean,
yeah, they're pretty big.
They're as big as like the state parks. Very, very big state park size sites. Yeah, we got a pretty big site down there. I mean, look how big this site is. Look how big that site is.
Well, you see, our grill is on the other side of the little. It's just because of the way the shape of this.
Now Hardee's gives you more than our great charbroiled taste. We give you free coupons to save each of you $2.50 at Carowinds, home of Thunder Road. It's the fastest roller coaster you ever screamed on. And then Carowinds will give you more coupons for discounts back at Hardee's. So have your whole family say hello to Hardee's. It's your big chance to take us for a ride.
This year marks the 50th anniversary of the amusement park of the Carolinas, known as Carowinds. This place holds many fond memories from my own childhood, as well as memories with my own children. Many rides have come and gone over the years as the park has changed hands many times, from CBS to Paramount to Cedar Fair. Carowinds is the only amusement park to be in 2 states. Carowinds was also the very first in the world to have a roller coaster with 4 inversions, the Carolina Cyclone.
This twisted bunch of green metal that's behind me is the Carolina Cyclone. It's one of the oldest roller coasters here. It's been here probably the longest of any of them. This is one of the very first roller coasters that I ever got on that went upside down, and it was also the first one I ever threw up on. So it's good to see that this thing's still here, even though it is shut down today.
Waiting on the shuttle.
$95 miles an hour. That's serious.
Have been chilling out at the wave pool for a while. It is a really hot day.
Humid like
It's
crazy.
very humid. We're having a great time just sitting here hanging out. This is a beautiful water park. Used to, this was not owned by Cedar Fair, but props to them. They've done an awesome job restoring and redoing things and branding it for them. I think they've done a great job. It's extremely clean. And well tended, so I can't say enough. It's been awesome.
In just a few minutes you're going to hear everybody start counting down again, because the clock always counts down right before the waves start. You excited, aren't you?
Are we excited? Yeah. Yeah. Man.
All right.
Oh, Muggy. Will you grab my sunglasses? There's some right there.
Where?
Right there. Thank you. I'll just use those. Are we going around this way? Where are we going?
I don't know. You've seen that way?
I've not seen that side.
You want to see that side?
I will say this campground is extremely impressive. It's fantastic.
I was more impressed with the campground than I was the park.
Well, the park is great. It was just to let you guys know, there were some conflicts over filming that we can talk about later. And that's been a very discouraging thing for us. And I'm sure that's something we'll talk a little bit about later. The park is great. Cedar Fair has done a wonderful job. That's who owns it now. But they have rules. And I think there was some miscommunication over how we specifically were to be handled. And just on the heels of what you hear on a lot of channels about the national parks and the restrictions on filming, it's a very discouraging time if you YouTube in this way. We'll navigate it, we'll figure it out, but it stinks. So for anybody watching that can get behind that and write to whoever, sign whatever petitions need to be signed, please do it. We need to let whatever powers that be handle this, and maybe we can try to research and direct you on the right way as far as who to write and get some links to some petitions and things like that that will help resolve all this for people that do have YouTube channels. Get behind it. It's important. It's important. And it's making things kind of difficult. But on happier topics, you can see this campground is amazing.
We are right at an airport, so you do hear jets going over quite often.
It doesn't bother me. And you hear the coasters and all of that, which is kind of fun. But we're going to be heading out today. So we're going to go grab something to eat and pack up.
You a dog, you a dog, you a dog.
You look good. Yeah.
What is this?
Fried pies with meat in them.
Oh, cool. Oh, look.
Fogged up.
Fogged up again.
Hold on, I'll turn the lights on. Don't let him in that mud. I don't.
I know.
I don't. Comfort and temperature is 100% everything. One useless purchase, but we like it. We have the RV squishmallow.
Okay. That's sweet. This thing is so squishy.
Squishmallow.
Squishy, squishy.